I wondered which type of water would be the best for drinking. I chose the most common that people drink, which are filtered water from the fridge and tap water from the sink and bottled water.
I made a guess of which detergent would work the best on the skin. I guessed that the Tide detergent would work the best because it came from natural resources. The results showed that the Tide detergent was less effective than the Method and Arm & Hammer detergents. In conclusion, the Method and Arm & Hammer detergents worked more effective, and that proved that any type of detergent can work, and that you shouldn't always turn to natural resources items because they don't always work.
Hello, this is Melanie, and today I will be sharing my science project about natural dyeing with you. What is the boldest way to make tie-dye using natural versus synthetic fibers? Synthetic fibers produce more intense colors when onion skin, blackberries, and avocado components were used in the above described process of dyeing.
My project is on what type of yogurt is better for baking. My question was, what kind of yogurt is better for baking?
What would you do if you had to do the experiment again?
I would keep the recipe the same, but I would change the yogurts.
Okay. So why would you use yogurt when you're baking?
It's a healthier way of making cookies, and it's less saltier than butter. Hi, I'm Lila, and my project was, what is the best watering schedule for indoor plants? My question was, what is the best watering schedule to keep indoor plants alive? My hypothesis was the plants watered every 5 days would do the best because 2 days they might get overwatered and a week would be too long. For further study, if I conducted this experiment again, I would control it more by using a water dropper instead of a spoon so the water would be more precise. And also, this also made me think of which fertilizer is the best for plants.
Hi, my name is Olivia, and my topic was paper towels. My title is Peeling Paper Towels. My question was, which paper towel brand can absorb the most water? The hypothesis was that the Bounty paper towel brand will absorb the most amount of water, and more than the Scott and Sparkle brands. The results mean that the Bounty will absorb the most amount of water, Sparkle absorbed the second most, and Scott absorbed the least. My question was, does the amount of Mentos affect the height of the pop explosion? My hypothesis was that more Mentos will increase the explosion. If the scientists could do this experiment again, the outdoor weather could be controlled better and the amount of Mentos could be increased.
Hello, my topic for science fair is how does fertilizer affect flower growth? My project is about planting 3 zinnias with different amounts of fertilizer, like in one plant there is 1 gram of fertilizer, in another plant there's 2 grams of fertilizer, and in the third plant there are 4 grams of fertilizer. The results also show that 4 grams is too much, probably because of the amounts of chemicals and because I fertilize the plants in the winter. How does temperature affect the magnet? My question was, does temperature affect your magnet? The hypothesis was that the magnet that is put in cold water will be stronger than the one put in hot water.
My project is how to make the best cookie. I picked this project to see how butter and margarine tasted different. Also, I thought it would be fun considering it's a baking project. The butter cookies were better than the margarine cookies. Also, the margarine cookies were softer.
I call it gravity of materials and eggs. So my question was, what material protects an egg best when dropped? Cloth protected the eggs the best. Therefore, my hypothesis was not supported because I thought that plastic bags would protect the egg best when it's dropped.
Hi, my name is Aslan, and my project is on what is the difference between good fat and bad fat. The question tested was, which high-fat food contains the most lipids?
Can you tell us about what you learned about fats and lipids?
I learned that some of the foods have good oils and others have bad.
Hello, my name is Stella, and my science fair project was on erosion. Erosion is one of the biggest problems that we have today. And the results showed that the Hay protected water-erosion the most?
The title of my project board is Which Paint Will Dry the Fastest. Let's do a test to see what paint will dry the fastest. And the hypothesis was that spray paint will dry the fastest because it will go on in the thinnest layer. The results are the average time for the acrylic paint was 10 minutes and 32 seconds. Average time for the watercolors was 13 minutes and 32 seconds. The average time for the spray paint was 13 minutes and 31 seconds.